The 3103V is one of the most popular security systems offered by VIPER. Keep watching to learn more about it. Let's take a look at what's in the box of the 3103V. First off, we have our control module with an onboard impact sensor. We have two 7122V one-way 2-button remotes with up to a quarter-mile range. We have a 6-tone siren, our wiring harnesses, a valet button, our status LED, a quick reference install guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card with a QR code to access the full owner's guide. The features of the 3103V include a starter interrupt for vehicle theft prevention, monitoring if a door or trunk is opened, remote keyless entry, a panic or car locator function, flashing parking lights when sending commands, an ignition controlled door lock setting, 2 auxiliary outputs, and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. Thanks for tuning in to see the 3103V. For more information on this system or any other VIPER products, go to viper.com or see an authorized dealer in your area.